Today I'm going to show you how to fit these shock towers by Ratel-X. So the first job is to jack the car up and support it on axle stands and remove the front wheel. So now the wheel's off, this is the part that we're going to be removing and we're going to be swapping, but we have to take the spring out and the shocker out as well. And these are the new bits that are going in. We've got the heavy duty turret ring, we've got the Ratel-X dislocation cone and the heavy duty shock turret. Very nice. Really substantial bit of kit. Got my assistant here today helping out. He's making sure I don't do anything wrong. Now from the engine bay we're going to remove the airbox so that we can access the turret. It means removing all this and the turbo pipe, all this slot. Remember to keep the washers. There we go. Right, so we've moved the chassis support further on so that we can drop the axle a little bit lower and make it a bit easier for getting the spring in. So now we're going to fit the turret ring. That goes in like that. I'll just put a couple of nuts on just to stop it from falling. And then we'll put the spring in. Like that. Next thing we'll drop the dislocation cone on. Look at that in a minute. And they sit in there like that. And then we put the shocker in. Now we can put the turret on. And now we just need to put everything back together. So if you're interested in any of the Ratel-X products, the website is in the description below. Please give them a check out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, do all that kind of stuff. It does help. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.